Hello all, welcome to my channel again. In my last video I have covered introduction about robotic process automation. In this video I am going to cover how to install one of the robotic automation tool called Power Automate Desktop. It is a powerful robotic process automation tool. Now we can see how to install that into your local system. Go to your Google page and then type Power Automate Desktop Flow installation. Here you can see learn.microsoft.com page. Click this link. I will give the same link into that video description also, and come down. Here you can see download the Power Automate installer. Click this link. Now you can see it is downloading that Power Automate software. Once it is downloaded from this page, you can see that software in downloads. Double click on this application. It will give that install Power Automate package. Click next, and it will ask for that check boxes. By selecting the install checkbox, the install button will be enabled. Click the install button now. Now once it is installed, it will show that installation is successful. Then it will be showing Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge enable extensions. You have to click this Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. First I'm clicking the Google Chrome. Then Google Chrome will open with this adding the Microsoft Power Automate extensions. Click the add to Chrome. Then again click the Microsoft Edge. You will get the Microsoft Power Automate extension in Microsoft Edge. Once you click the get, it will be added in your Microsoft extension. Once it is done, then it will be asking your sign in to Microsoft Power Automate. Click sign in button, and it will ask your email ID. If you already signed into your Microsoft, it will show your email ID. Select that email ID. If you are a new person to Microsoft account, click use a different account and click the Microsoft account. Then click continue, and you can enter your email ID. You can go to your email and check for the OTP or code, then enter that code and click sign in. Once you signed in, it will be successfully installed. Then you can directly click for the start button, then type Power Automate. It will be shown in your installed application. Click open. It will be open your Power Automate application. Yeah, this is the Power Automate desktop automation tool. Now if you want to automate the process or any manual flows, click the new flow, then give the project name testbot and click create. Once you create, it will load the design page. Here you can see the list of packages, variables, loops, run flow system. If you expand this packages, you can see the commands. Remember, whatever it is listed here, this is called packages, and whatever inside this package called commands. By dragging and drop the commands, you can able to automate. Now I am going to give some sample configuration for opening the Excel automatically. Here you can see launch Excel with a blank document and open the following document. It means blank document, if you give it, then it will open the empty Excel file. If you give open the following documents, means it will open the existing Excel file. I'm going to open one existing Excel file. I'm clicking this one, and it will ask for the Excel path. I have one sample Excel file with me. Here you can see test Excel. I'm going to right click on it and click the properties and securities, and here you can see the path. I'm copying this path, then I'm going to put it here, document path, and I'm saving it. Once I saved it, this configuration is will be shown in design page. Now I can run it. Here you can see run button. If you run this, then this bot will automatically open that Excel. Here you can see the Excel is opened automatically. After that you can perform various automations. In my next videos, I'm going to show how to do the automation using this desktop RPA tool. Definitely it will be helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and post your comments. We'll meet you on my next video.